Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill a document or text in Adobe Acrobat. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube earning statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Adobe Acrobat, then click on the document which you want to edit, then click on the pencil at the bottom of the screen, and after that you have to click on the fill and sign option, and let's click on the first one, and you have to tap somewhere and hold a little bit, and after that you can place a text in a document. And if you click on the a small a, then you can smaller your text. If you click on the big A, you can bigger your text. All right, so this is the first option. Let's delete this, and let's delete this one as well. Okay, and after that you can see that you can place this icon in a text if you are correcting something, or you want to mark something that yeah, this is great, then you can add this icon. After that you can have this X. If something is wrong, you can make a dot somewhere, this line and this icon, and here I guess no, you cannot type in this one. All right, maybe all right, have you seen this? Okay, wait, yeah, okay, but I don't understand this. Let's try this again. Okay, now it's working. So you can highlight some word or something with this option. Okay, and after that the last one is the signature. You can create a signature or you can create initials, so you can make your signature. Okay, done. And if you, let's scroll at the bottom of the screen, at the bottom of the page, and yeah, you have to click somewhere, and it will place your signature there like this. All right, and if you create your initials, okay, this is bullshit, clear like TT, done, and you can place your initials as well. So this is how you can fill a document or text in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.